बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू कैंटर पब्लिशर्स वीडियो सेशन। कैम्ब्रिज स्कॉलर्स सीरीज़ की साइंस 8 की टेक्स्ट बुक, इसके साथ साथ एग्ज़ाम की प्रैक्टिस के लिए और SLOs की री इन्फोर्समेंट के लिए और होमवर्क जो आपको दिया जाएगा उसे सॉल्व करने के लिए आपके पास समर पैक क्लास 8 का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसके साथ साथ पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स अगर किसी तरह की कुछ गाइडेंस चाहिए तो उनके लिए समर पैक एक बहुत यूज़फुल रिसोर्स साबित होगा। इस रिसोर्स पैक में तमाम SLOs अपनी मुनफरिद टीचिंग मेथडोलॉजी के साथ और एलाइड एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ बहुत उम्दा तरीके से बयान किए गए हैं। साइंस का ये समर पैक और ये रिसोर्स पैक cantorpublisher.com वेबसाइट पे इजीली सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू कैंटर पब्लिशर वीडियो सेशन। Today's lecture is from Science of Grade 8 and we are using the textbook published by Cantor Publisher, which is a part of Cambridge Scholar series. The textbook is available in soft form on the official website of Cantor Publisher. It's our 4th chapter and lecture 8. The chapter that is about the pollutants and their effects on environment, and we are going to study new activity that cause the pollution deterioration in the environment. And the activity is deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of forests for a longer time over a vast area. The SLO that will be achieved through this lecture are: define deforestation, state the effects of deforestation on the environment. So first of all, we will define what deforestation actually is, and then we will see the effects of deforestation on the environment. What will happen if trees are removed on a larger area from a land while there is no urbanization near the forests? Then how can deforestation affect the life or the ecosystem on this planet Earth? If you open your textbook at page 56, you will find the topic 4.9 named as deforestation. The topic will be proved as a resource to achieve our SLO. So first, what is deforestation? Let's define it. The permanent cutting down of forest for other human uses is deforestation. So what does it mean? That there are trees, there are forests over a large area, and we cut it down for our personal uses such as urbanization, such as agriculture uses, and many other factors. So these cutting down of trees and not the growing down, not the afforestation of trees is called deforestation. यानी किसी जगह से दरख्त काटना मुस्तकिल तौर पे और ऑल्टरनेटिवली नए दरख्त ना लगाना डिफॉरेस्टेशन कहलाता है। देयर आर सेवरल कॉजेज ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन। बहुत से कॉजेज हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू द WWF रिपोर्ट्स, half of the trees that have been cut down for natural forests are used as fuel. So the first purpose to cut down trees or the deforestation is the fuel. We need wood to burn and to get energy, either for our domestic uses or for our industrial uses such as industrial boilers. The leading cause of deforestation is agriculture. The other major factor of deforestation is agriculture. People are clearing the land, removing the tree to grow their crops, and these crops are necessary to fulfill their energy demands or the food demand, or you can say the nutrient demands. Farmers cut down the forest to plant the crops and to graze their livestock. Due to the increase in population, accommodation is an increasing issue. To reduce the issue, several new housing societies are being constructed by clearing the natural land. So it is a third major reason for deforestation that new colonies have been developed, new shopping plazas, new shopping malls have been constructed and are being constructed by clearing the land. Timber is also used to make commercial items such as paper, furniture, and home decoration pieces. So it is the fourth major cause for deforestation that the forest wood is obtained for their economical uses such as furniture making, such as home decoration and paper manufacturing. All these causes are threatening the ecosystem, natural ecosystem on Earth badly. So now we'll see how these activities affect the environment. Deforestation poses an adverse impact on the environment. It's obvious that as the trees are the houses and the habitats of many species, so when the trees are removed, the habitats of animals destroy greatly. By the destruction of habitats, species disturbs and even die. And by the death of these species, ultimately the natural balance of ecosystem disturbs, which affect the whole environment on the earth. The severe effect on living species is the loss of their natural habitat. It's a very severe effect that is disturbing our environment. About 80% of animals and plants live in forests, and the deforestation destroys their homes. Forest soils quickly dry out after removing the trees from the land. And why it quickly dries out? Because there is no object, there is no any mechanism to suck and to retain the water in the soil. When there are trees, due to the roots, water moves inside the soil because the roots suck the water from the soil. So by their sucking movement, the water moves inside the soil. But when there are no roots in the soil, there is no action, no purpose to move the water inside ground. So the soil quickly dries out. And when it dries out, the erosion of soil increases. The erosion of fertile soil also reduces the nutrients amount in the soil. So the absence of plants reduces the fertility of the ground. It's the second major effect, that the fertility of ground reduces badly. Number third effect is trees are responsible for regulating the water cycle in the atmosphere. How? By the action of transpiration. The transpiration process evaporates the water from the surface of the leaves, and in return more water is absorbed by the roots from the soil. So a movement of water channel is initiated through plants, and in the absence of plants, this water cycle disturbs as well. Without trees, such forest lands quickly becomes desert, and the reason we have discussed earlier, that when there are no trees, there is no movement of water. So, as well as due to erosion, being dried, nutrient availability reduced. So ultimately, a fertile soil becomes desert. Soil erosion is also a consequence of deforestation. It's the number 4 major effect, that when the trees are removed, there is erosion of soil, which reduces the nutrient amount in the soil, and the soil become unfertile. Do you know what is erosion? Erosion is the removal of the first layer or the second layer of the ground due to the physical activity such as air, wind, water, etc. So erosion is removal of soil layer due to physical activity such as दैट ऑफ विंड वाटर। यानी किसी भी फिजिकल फैक्टर की वजह से सॉइल की अपर लेयर का रिमूव हो जाना, यानी जैसे हवा चलती है तो मिट्टी उड़ना शुरू हो जाती है, वो मिट्टी क्या होती है, इरोड होकर उड़ना शुरू हो जाती है। सो किसी भी फिजिकल फैक्टर जैसे बारिश है, जैसे हवा है, इसकी वजह से सॉइल की अपर सरफेस का रिमूव हो जाना इरोजन कहलाता है। इज ऑल्सो कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन। अल्टीमेटली जब वहाँ पे दरख्त ही नहीं होंगे, कोई चीज़ ऐसी, कोई फैक्टर ऐसा होगा ही नहीं जो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को आपस में ज्वाइन किए रखे, तो सॉइल लेयर रिमूव होना शुरू हो जाएगी। इट्स द फोर्थ मेजर इफेक्ट ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन। Trees regulate the temperature in both day and night time. With their removal, temperature extremes will be observed. So it is the fifth effect that we observe temperature extremes in the absence of trees, because trees regulate the temperature by the effect of transpiration. So जब transpiration ही नहीं होगी जो कि cooling cause करती है, तो टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे। इसके अलावा ट्रीज़ शेड प्रोवाइड करते हैं लैंड को, और जब ट्रीज़ नहीं होंगे तो डायरेक्ट सनलाइट ज़मीन तक, ग्राउंड तक आएगी और टेम्परेचर इस तरह से भी इंक्रीज़ होगा। डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज़ ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द क्लाइमेट चेंज। इट्स द नंबर 6th इफेक्ट of deforestation, that it is responsible for climate change. How? Trees absorb, it is the answer of how it is responsible for climate change. Trees absorb the greenhouse gases, and these greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, water vapors, methane, NOx. Most of these gases are absorbed by the trees and utilized. By deforesting, large quantities of greenhouse gases enters in the atmosphere and lead to the global warming. जब दरख्त ही नहीं होंगे तो वो एनवायरनमेंट में उनकी अमाउंट बतदरीज बढ़ती चली जाएगी और अल्टीमेटली ये ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कॉज करेंगी। सो इस तरह क्लाइमेट चेंज जो हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में भी पढ़ा था कि ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज के बढ़ने की वजह से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का इफेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से ज़्यादा होने से क्लाइमेट चेंज, वेदर पैटर्न चेंज हो रहे हैं, क्लाइमेट चेंज आ रहा है बहुत स्वेयर, और इससे हमारा इकोसिस्टम डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है। ये वो सारे इफेक्ट्स हैं जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से अर्थ और उस पर रहने वाले लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को बियर करना पड़ते हैं। एक दफ़ा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं डिफॉरेस्टेशन के इफेक्ट्स। नंबर 1 इज़ लॉस ऑफ नेचुरल हैबिटेट। Number 2 is soil dries out after removing trees. Number 3 is trees are responsible for regulating water cycle, क्योंकि trees ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस के ज़रिए एटमॉस्फेयर में वाटर वेपर्स की एडिशन करते रहते हैं। Number 4 is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of fertile layer of land due to the physical activities such as water or wind. And in the absence of trees, these physical factors, water and wind, do their work freely and remove the soil to greater extent. Number 5 is trees regulate the temperature in both day and night time. How they regulate the temperature? By the effect of transpiration, photosynthesis. And number 6 is climate change. In the absence of trees, greenhouse gases are increasing greatly, and ultimately they are causing an increase in global warming, and due to the increase in global warming, our climate pattern has been changed and is going to change diversely. These are all the effects of deforestation on environment. So we should plant trees as much as possible. Now comes to the homework. First of all, open your text exercise 2, and the part A of test exercise 2 is to fill the circle of correct option against each statement. You are provided with a statement. You have to analyze the statement and find out the correct answer from the 4 given options. And from this part, you will solve MCQ number 2. The leading cause of deforestation is agriculture, to obtain fuel, timber or paper production. 4 causes are given, out of which only one is the prime or the leading cause of deforestation. You have to find out this leading cause of deforestation and fill the circle of correct option. The quality of environment is declining due to air quality, or the overall environment quality is declining. The reason may be deforestation, urbanization, pollution, or all of these? You have to carefully analyze the statement and then find the answer. Then comes the part B on page 61. Answer these questions briefly. You have to wind up your answer between 3 to 4 sentences. Next comes the review exercise. From review exercise, that is on page 61, part A is choose the right option and fill its circle. Again MCQs, and you will solve question number 8. Soil erosion is consequence of soil erosion की वजह क्या है? ओजोन डिप्लीशन है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है, एसिड रेन है या डिफॉरेस्टेशन है? तो जो भी करेक्ट आंसर होगा आप उसका सर्कल फिल करेंगे. नेक्स्ट ओपन द पेज 62 and comes to part B. From part B, which is short question answers, you will solve question number 5. Habitat loss is a consequence of deforestation. Explain the statement. Deforestation की वजह से habitat loss हो जाता है. Is it true or not? You will give the reason and prove your stance in either case with solid justifications. Then comes the part C, which requires in detail answering of your questions. From here you will solve question number 7. State the effects of deforestation on environment. We have just studied and go through the effects of deforestation. You will enlist them in bullet points to justify your answer. Then open up your summer pack. From the summer pack you will solve activity 4.7. In the activity you are given with a passage, a case study. You have to read out this scenario completely, which is page 47 and page 48. And then you will answer the questions given afterwards. Number 1 question is correct the following false statements with precise details. First of all, read the paragraphs and then answer. Deforestation takes place in developed countries. Here is a mistake in every statement from A to D. You have to identify the mistake and then rewrite it correctly. Deforestation happens only at the national level. The cutting and burning of trees affect mainly the man. Deforestation is not as dangerous as many people think. So, you have to correct the false statements and then solve the question number 2. Focus on paragraph 3 and complete the table. Here is the paragraph 3. Read it again and then complete the table. The cutting of trees results in and the burning of trees results in. What are the results of these two events? You have to find out the answer from paragraph number 3. And then comes to question number 3, that is answer the following questions. You have to read these passages again and to answer these questions. Why do some governments allow deforestation? Number B is whose responsibility is to resolve the problem? According to you, how can we stop deforestation? And the last question, your personal opinion, your personal reasons are demanding. So read these passages carefully to solve the exercise or the activities given afterwards. Then comes the SLO based MCQs at page 53. From here you will solve question number 12, deforestation cause, water pollution, ozone depletion, soil erosion or heart diseases. What is the effect of deforestation? You will find out the right answer and then give the reason why did you choose this option. And then comes the SLO based questions at page 55. From here you will solve question number 4. Describe the harmful effects of deforestation. You have studied the 7th major or the 6th major effects of deforestation. You have to enlist them briefly to justify your answer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.